Today, we are putting ChatGPT and Gemini against each other to create Mafia from scratch. No game engine. We have ChatGPT right here and we have Gemini right here. Let's give ChatGPT the command, create an action-adventure open-world game Mafia from scratch. No game engine. I want to walk on foot or by car. Also make sure I can play it right now. I honestly don't know what we are going to get. I don't think I'm ready for the game this thing is about to drop. Alright, ChatGPT has finished writing the code. It took about 2 minutes, which is actually kind of slow. So maybe it was really thinking hard. Let's take this and paste it here. Let's run this and see if we can play it. Bro, it made it a 2D game. Okay, there is a mini-map though. I like that. Oh snap, I'm getting shot. By the way, I'm a circle. The aim is completely bugged. I can't change the direction. It's just permanently pointing left. Wait, I think this square is a car. Can I get inside? No! Come on, let me in. Okay, I'm inside now. But I can't ride it, man. I'm trapped in the car. This is like Mafia 2D, Broken Edition. I didn't expect this. But hey, for one prompt, I am impressed we got anything moving. Now let's improve it. Make the game 3D, add guns, cars, and give a third-person perspective. It's thinking. I'm very curious how it is going to make this 3D. Okay, it's done with the code. It says that it converted the game into a 3D third-person version with player, cars, enemies, and guns. That sounds promising. Whoa. I don't see anything. All I see is blue. It's just the sky? That's not good. Let's tell it to fix it. All I see is blue. Give me better graphics, cars, and enemies that I can shoot. Let's see if it does it right this time. It finished the code. ChatGPT says it is all fixed. Let's run this. This is still blue. I can't see anything. ChatGPT named it Mafia 3D Improved. There is no improvement at all. It improved the shade of blue maybe. Let's tell it to forget everything. Make a 2D shooter like Mafia 2 because ChatGPT is struggling making 3D right now. Let's go back to its comfort zone. Maybe if we lower the bar, it will actually cook. Okay, it's done with the code. Here it says we can add upgrades if we want, but first let's test it. Hopefully we get a playable game instead of the blue screen of death. Okay, it made me a square. The aim is actually good this time. I can aim 360 degrees. Is this grey square a car? Wow, holy shit, it's a car. I can drive. Look at me go. Wait, the enemies are gone for now? And the car disappeared from the screen. I drove too far and the car ceased to exist. We are breaking reality right now. Let's tell it to upgrade everything. It says it updated everything as we asked. Let's see what we got. Wow, we got sound now. Pew pew. Okay, but the aim is broke again. And the enemy doesn't lose HP when I shoot. We got a map in the left corner though. Let's give ChatGPT one last chance. Make your own 3D game engine and make this 2D game 3D. Yes, 3D. We know it struggles with 3D, but let's give it one last chance to redeem itself. Maybe it needed to build the engine first. It's done with the code. Let's test it. What? This is dark blue. I can see nothing. Okay, before it was light blue, now it's dark blue. It literally just turned off the lights. Now let's copy this prompt from ChatGPT and paste it in Gemini. Switch the model and select Thinking with 3.0 Pro. I have seen your comments guys. That was my bad in the last video using the Flash model. We are using the big brain model today. Let's see if the thinking model can actually handle the coding better. It's done with the code. Let's copy and paste it here. Yo, we have sound every time we shoot. That's instantly better. And look at the movement. The aim is perfect. I can change my direction with the mouse perfectly. We have a health bar in the top left corner. It seems like I'm stuck. I can walk and explore the game, but this is good for our first try. This feels like an actual game prototype. Alright, let's try to improve this. Make it 3D. I want to walk and drive a car, shoot. Hopefully, Gemini will change what we saw there into a 3D game. If Gemini pulls this off, it wins instantly. Okay, this is definitely 3D. This red circle is our aim. I can walk. Wait, I can walk through the walls. I'm a ghost gangster. Where are the enemies and car? I can't seem to find them. It's a bit of a ghost town. But hey, it rendered 3D graphics and I can move around in third person. That's already a win. Let's tell it. Make your own game engine, add enemies, cars. By the way, we reached the limit for this model. So, we are downgraded back to the basic model. I don't know what we are going to get. This might ruin everything. Okay, this is very similar to our previous game. The only new thing we got is the lawn. I think Gemini is struggling with following our instructions because it's not using the thinking model anymore. It definitely got dumber. But honestly, I think I can say that Gemini absolutely washed ChatGPT on this one. It's not even close. Gemini gave us a working 3D environment, a third-person perspective, and actual mechanics. ChatGPT gave us a blue screen and then a dark blue screen. It's like ChatGPT wasn't even trying today. Gemini wins this round of making Mafia. If you enjoyed this dumb experiment, click on this video on your right to watch ChatGPT versus Gemini making Battlefield 6 from scratch.